Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Olymptrade app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on platform, just click on it. So then you go down here, you come here to types of charts icon, click in this sign of this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean types of charts icon disable with us now. So that's all you have to do to disable it on your app. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. So don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.